Why do clients expect me to deliver content, videos, Instagram posts, etc. within 7 days with drafts and changes, etc.? But when it comes to receiving payment from those companies, why do I have to wait for 30, 60, or 90 days before I get paid? This was asked on Threads. And I had a bit of a giggle when I read that because I've been in this industry for more than 20 years. I worked with international brands, and this has been a question that has been coming up for decades. Not new at all. People keep changing, young people keep joining the industry, and they face this. And of course, now you have social media where you can get on and ask these questions and share perspectives from people all over the world, and people can tell you how it works in their part of the world, etc. For me, it was a bit challenging initially because there was no internet at that time, and I didn't really know who to ask because I didn't really have any photographers or content creators. In those days there was no term for this. There was no term called content creator, there was no term called influencer. I was just talking about the stuff that I loved and I enjoyed and I photographed, and that's what it was. So I didn't really know where to start because there was no one else who was doing it. So, companies will tell you that, oh, it's our company policy and we pay 30 days after you raise the invoice. And someone will say it's 60 days and some say it's 90 days, right? Common, very common. My company policy is that I do not work without 100% advance payment. So when someone asks, but why do we have to agree to these terms? No one's asking you to agree to those terms. Don't agree to those terms. Put your own terms forward and see what happens. In my entire career, of course, I've had a few people who are like, oh, we don't do 100% advance. In which case, I'm like, okay, thank you. And they're like, oh, but don't we want to work with you? And I said, well, I've told you what my company policy is, and I don't work without 100% advance. And then some people are like, oh, we'll give you a 50% advance. And my point is, if you can do 50%, you can do 100%. What is the problem here? Why not? No, it's a company policy. So then how can you do 50%? Of course, there have been a few clients where it's just been a no because it's a very large corporation and they're like, we can't change that policy. So I'm like, okay, thank you. No, I will not do it because that's my company policy. So when you say that, why do companies do this? Companies are not doing this. You are doing this. As a service provider, you are the one who's perpetuating this practice because you accept it. Stop accepting it. The industry will change. People are like, no, but the industry is like that. You are the industry. I am the industry. We change the industry. It's actually that simple. Stand your ground. If it's not comfortable for you to wait for 90 days for a payment, then say that these are my terms. Decide what your terms are, why you have those terms, and then just stick to them. Trust me, 99% of assignments will still work out. There will always be some stuff that doesn't work out. You already know that. There will be companies who say 30 days but then pay you in 60 days, or even after 90 days you haven't received the payment. It has happened to me. I have learned from experience. So now it's just a flat across, it's for everyone, it's the same. 100% advance payment. I will not get out of bed otherwise. And that's it. It's a company policy. You don't even need to explain to anyone, oh, I had a bad experience. No. They might have had a bad experience. It's got nothing to do with that. I had one client long time ago tell me that, but I'll pay you, but what if you die? Which, to be fair, is a legit concern. So I put a clause in the contract saying that in case of the photographer's deaths, you may reach out to this person and they will settle your payment. They were like, okay, fine, works for us. Okay, fine, whatever. But uncompromising on the 100% advance payment. Because that's just how I work. And again, I've been doing it for far too long to change that now for anything or anyone. And so should you. It doesn't matter. When I started charging 100% advance in a country like India, can you imagine? People don't do 100% advance there. People, the unprofessionalism in India has been you never know what someone's going to do. They won't pay you, even if you have a contract. That happens. What, you're going to go to, courts, Indian courts? So no, 100% advance and we're in business. for me now, I think it also helps because I have a reputation and I have been working for so many years and I have so many clients of repute as well. So most clients would be like, okay, yeah, sure, here you go. But for younger people, it can feel scary, I guess. But honestly, move beyond that, especially if you're looking at this as a long-term game and you want to be in this business of whatever you call it, content creation, photography, any kind of service providing, graphic designer, illustrator, etc. You have to have your terms. What are your terms? Set your terms first. So then instead of complaining and whinging about, oh, companies are like this, no, you are like that. You are accepting this, which is why you're getting it. Stop accepting it and you will stop getting it and have fun.